So, my people, it's another day, and we want to make profits with automated bots. And as I promised yesterday, we did a full trade, made withdrawals and everything. I hope you guys will hear me. Uh, there is some noise, but I will cope up with it. So, today our capital in Binance is 1057, and I promised I'll be making full videos on how to deposit, to withdraw, and everything. And remember, we'll be trading using automated bots. So the bots are in RunQuilly, so we'll be using RunQuilly trading bots. And my account is already funded, as you can see. Yesterday we made some profits already, and some withdrawal and everything. So in depositing, I made some videos on the same. So make sure you always attach your screenshot just where you copied your deposit address. You don't miss that. After that, just come to your trading bot after funding your RunQuilly account. Uh, I think today we do the minimum. Let's do around $100, just $100, and see what it will give us. Most of the bots have not changed. They are like yesterday, but right now, it is always rush hours, so many bots are being in use. It might change. So let's check our live bot. You can see we entered 100, and you can set your stop loss and take profits, as I said yesterday, if you are busy. So the bot is running. Let's check our first 3 logs, then we withdraw. I'm very focused in withdrawing because so many people are saying that you can't withdraw. So we'll be focusing every video, we'll be making a withdrawal, each and every video. The first 2 we are running at a loss, but as I told you and I promised you that the bots have recovery. They do recover the losses, so you don't have to worry anytime. So let's wait and see. You can see a recovery. We were at a loss, but we had a recovery. So we just leave the bot running. Remember, it can run in the background. Then we go and withdraw. So on withdrawal, you copy your address on Binance, then you come and paste it here. So let's go to Binance. You just come on Binance to copy your deposit address, click on add funds, click on deposit. I said we don't cook anything. Click on USDT, then you click on TRC. This one is fast and cheap, only 2 USDTs transaction. It is actually 1 point something, but then there is for RunQuilly. So you come and click on your crypto coin, then you paste the address. I've pasted mine, then we withdraw 202, and we review and confirm. Then we wait for around 15 minutes. Meanwhile, as we wait, we can check our trading bot. You just come here and refresh to get the latest logs. You can see I'm running at a profit of 6. Let's check the live. You can see the entry point is 0.87, and we are now at 0.93. So let's check the logs. You can see the PNL is 6 point. Okay, we did hit a loss as I'm talking, so I'm not afraid of losses. So let's wait for the withdrawal, then we check the loss. So as you can see, guys, a notification has just popped out. Let me record so that you don't say it's cooked. You can see it has changed, and on assets you can see a deposit of 200. Let me check my withdrawal. Let me check transaction history there. Let it load. You can see right now, you can check the date and time. Everything is working perfectly. So let's check our trading bot. Remember, the capital was 100, and the bot was, I forgot to tell you the bot actually. The bot was Momentum Pro bot. So let's check the logs right now. And the chart is uptrend, entry at 0.47. We are at 0.58. You can calculate. We are at a PNL of 23. So if you can manage to have 100 USDTs capital and make 21 USDTs profit, I don't see if it is such a problem. You can see the profits and the losses. So we are good, guys. I'll post this. Make sure you like the video, and you use this to make something small for yourself.